Is Google Chrome slowing down your PC, hogging your RAM, or draining your laptop battery? You are not alone. By default, Google Chrome leaves several hidden background settings enabled that quietly eat up your system resources even when you are not actively using the browser. In this video, I will walk you through the exact settings you need to change immediately to reclaim your PC's speed, free up memory, and make Chrome run lightning fast again. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome, click on three dot menu icon on top right corner, go to settings, left menu pane, scroll down, click on system. Here you will find the first option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. And these background apps will eat your processor and RAM. Disable this option. And you will find the second option, use graphics acceleration when available. It will consume your graphics memory on your computer. Turn off this option. Then you need to relaunch your Google Chrome browser. Click on relaunch and it will restart your Google Chrome again. Now, in left menu pane, click on Performance, scroll down. Under Memory, you will find Memory Saver. Chrome free up memory from inactive tabs. When you turn Memory Saver on, just turn on this option and select Balanced, and it's recommended. Scroll down. Under Power, you will find Energy Saver. Chrome conserves battery power by limiting background activity and visual effect. Turn on this option and here you will find two options. One, turn on only when your battery is at 20% or lower. And second option, turn on when your computer is unplugged. Select the second option and it will expand your battery life. Third step, click on three dot menu icon on top right corner, then go to extensions, click on manage extensions. When an extension is enabled, that means this program is running in background and it's consume your system resources. Disable or remove memory hungry extensions on your Google Chrome. Click here to turn it off, or if you want you can remove it. Click on remove and then click on remove again. In this way, you have to turn off or remove memory hungry extensions from your Google Chrome. That's it. This is the way to fix Google Chrome make Windows 11 computer slow down.